Hello, Realty Executives. Richard Neville here with a quick follow-up on how your clients will install these apps. So we kind of went through the apps in the webinar, but I just wanted to show you, in case this makes any difference in the app that you want to choose, how your client will share that, or how your client will get them after you share that with them. Okay, so I'm going to go through the CRMLS one here real fast in this video. Just a little caveat, even though I'm showing you from my app, I'm going to install Felicia's Grady's app just so, because she'd already shared it with me and I logged in and created my account using that app or using her app. So just to speed up this video, I'm just going to show you from going from the text message that she shared. Okay, so basically if you go to share my app and then you go to message it, whoops, that's email, sorry. Share app, and then you send a message, and then you put in your client's phone number here. It'll send them a link to go download your app. So let's go over to the text message now, and then this will be from Felicia. So let's take a look at this, and then here we are. So thank you for visit blah 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 to download Felicia Grady's app, HomeSpotter app. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. And it's going to bring me over here, and then you might remember this from the webinar here, where it's going to say that Safari is required, because I use Google Chrome for my default browser on my Apple device, which the default browser is Safari. So normally, so this probably isn't going to be anything that your clients have to deal with, but just so you know, in case they come across it, they just have to hold down, press, copy URL, and then just open in Safari. So let's come over to here's Safari, and then I already have it open here. So it's going to go ahead and either open up the alert window in just a second. Otherwise, I have to click the download button there. So we'll just get open. Then it's going to come over here to install HomeSpotter. All right. So it's going to look a bit different than they're not going to see the CRMLS logo in the app icon. It's going to be HomeSpotter. So this will be what they view. So this is going to download, and then we're going to go ahead and go through the process for your client to install your app. Once it loads here, and then like I mentioned, this is going to be Felicia's app that we'll see. So we'll see what the branded agent app will look like to your client. So it is logging in, but it doesn't recognize me until I log in because I deleted the app. All right, but in this case, I'm just going to kind of show you the little process. So I'm just going to say I'm new, even though I already have the account created. So it's going to say, are you a real estate agent or just searching for homes? So searching for homes. And this is just a little chat bot in order to gather a little bit of information, like their name. So now, so say you had this in your signature line, and so you don't know necessarily who's downloading your app. So this way we get a name, and then we're going to get a phone number. But so we know that it's an actual phone number, that's going to have to verify the phone number. They're going to have to verify the phone number. Sorry, 6730. So it's going to send a text message with a 4-digit code, but it recognizes me. So I could use a different number, but I don't have another cell phone number to use in here. So I'm going to go ahead and just sign in, but it's still going to send me that code. So if I take a look at this code here, 8502, I will just enter that in, 8502, submit, and then now it's going to go ahead, ask me a couple questions. Do I want notifications? Do I want the app to use my location while I'm using the app? I'm going to say yes. Now located me, and now if I go and take a look at the little section here where now I see I have Felicia's branded app installed on my phone. So this would be the same process for your clients. They would just get the text message, follow the link, follow the instructions, and then once they get through the process, they'll have your branded app. Okay, so that just took a few minutes. So next, I'm going to end this video and I'm going to go on to MLS Touch. It's going to be a little bit different, so we're going to go through that process, but I kind of want to have these separated. So for whichever app you're using, we'll have a separate video. All right, thanks guys. I'll go ahead and move on to the next one here in just a second.